Bro, I'll never forget that night. I was looking at my empty wallet like, dang, this can't be my life. No skills, no degree, nothing special, just pressure and basic survival. So I tried something small, made a quick Canva template in about 20 minutes. And when that first $5 sale came on my phone, I was surprised. But that small win pushed me. I made more, posted every day, improved a little. And one morning, I woke up to $1,037. That wasn't luck. That was steady, consistent work. And the interesting thing, anyone can do it. Start simple. Start unsure. Just start. Your first $1,000 is not far. You just need to take the step. If this story moved you, subscribe. StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time.